diverse area that we're working in, and it makes it real challenging.
The power, performance, and reliability is exactly what the 407s bring to our equation.
We call them time-sensitive emergencies, where it's critical that we get them to some of these higher level cares as quickly as we can. And it's just not reachable with the ground ambulances. You know, there's some areas in our area that they're 4 or 5 hours from some of these larger facilities, where for us, we can be there in an hour. And so to be able to have that capability and the speed and the range of the 407, it does fantastic as far as reaching these outlying communities.
Life Flight Network started in 1978. We started with 1 aircraft, and now we have developed into 30 bases across Washington, Oregon, Idaho, and Montana.
The 407 has got the power that it needs to get out of these high, hot landing zones that we find ourselves all throughout the Pacific Northwest. It can get out of that tight hole in the middle of summer and get us 100 miles away when that's the closest, most appropriate level of care. The 407 is an extension of my hands. It's a pilot's aircraft. It's intuitive. It feels like every helicopter I would expect it to feel like. It's responsive, it has plenty of power, and it's a fun aircraft to fly. It's an extension of how I fly. I feel very connected to the cyclic through the control linkages up to the rotor head. I don't feel like I have to manipulate the aircraft so much as to think about what I want to do.
I think that becomes an extension of the pilot. It's very reactive, not squirrely at all, but very smooth in the pilot's hands. The power is fantastic, so we can come into some really steep, tight LZs knowing that we have plenty of power to come straight down into that LZ. It just gives you a lot of confidence when you're going in there. It's the setup that we got in the 407 with the PSI as far as the power indicator, and being able to just give us one gauge to look at. It really reduces the workload on the pilots, and the same thing with the dual G1000s. So having that moving map and our synthetic vision, it does wonders as far as the pilot's situational awareness when he's working in austere environments. We carry the isolette on board. 407 works great for that. We can take that isolette and we can take our crew and we can go out to some of these far reaching areas, and they can provide the care for these babies, either whether it's a premature or whatever issue they have. Give them a high level of care. We can go out to probably about 125, 150 miles if we need to. So we're looking at just over an hour flight time out there and about an hour flight time back to the receiving facilities. We can add more fuel, almost up to 3 hours worth of fuel on this aircraft. And so it really gives us long legs to get out to some of these farther reaching hospitals that we need to get to.
And the 407's dependable, it is reliable, it is an industry standard.